Hello, thank you for joining me for a new and exciting tutorial on the Yuxin Panda 2x2. Let's get started. I recommend this puzzle for advanced solvers, or if you really know how to solve a 2x2 like really good, because these parts change and shift all different directions. So it's not exactly easy puzzle. If you still want to try it out, I do this tutorial slowly. You can take your shot at it and, you know, try to solve it and learn it. Let's get started. First thing I want to note is that it moves really, really well, really smooth. It's a really nice puzzle. It's a fun puzzle once you get to learn it. Yeah, and it's a good time. So, I mean, if you want something that's challenging and, really test your skills a little bit, this is the puzzle. Mix it up a little bit. Okay, so let's see. Uh, let's see what we do first. Okay, let's bring this paw down here. We want to line up one of these paws. Probably right here would be a good idea, and we'll try to line up the other one. There we go. We got the two in like that. So that the first step is get the two paws exactly like this because it fits just right. You want them in front. Then we turn the puzzle over and we find the smaller pieces like this. And then we'll try to, and here's the other one. We'll try to line it up. That one I think goes here like that. Yeah, it fits just right. That's the next one, and then the other one's right here. So what we'll do is we'll keep these on top, the feet on top, like here. This one's here, and we'll rotate it down. Rotate it another way. Bring it back up. Bring this back over this way, here. It's underneath here where it should go, so we're going to rotate it again down. Bring it over and bring it up. So let's see what we got here. How you know it's in place is because these will line up. If they don't line up, that means you have to switch these two. And you just, like I just showed you, rotate it and the tail fits. This is in place. The feet are in place. It's all four pieces are in place. Okay, so we already have two on top that are in place. Okay. And what we could do is do the T-perm, which will, it should bring this piece right here, and we'll have two pieces solved. So the T-perm goes like this. We'll do it slow. Right, up, right invert, up invert, right invert, sorry, front, R2, up invert, right invert, up invert, R, U, right invert, and then back, front invert. Well, I'll put two in place, as we could see, but the back two need to come up. So we'll do this move to bring them up. We'll do the, like on a 3x3. Sorry, it's okay. Front, right, up, right invert, up invert, and front invert. So what it did do is it did bring them up, these two, and actually they're solved. So these two switched. So what we will do is do this, because these two are solved. Anytime you have two pieces solved, if these two are solved or these two are solved, you put it on the left side. And the two that are not solved, you put it on the right side here. And then we do the T-perm again, and that should solve the puzzle. So let's do it again. Do it slow. Right, up, right invert, up invert, right invert, front, R2, up invert, right invert, up invert, R, U, right invert, and then back like this, front invert. And these two are solved. I think actually these two switched. If you look here, they're not lined up. They got to switch too, so we got to do that move one more time. So that's what I mean. You got to know the 2x2, otherwise you're not going to solve this. So we're going to do the T-perm again. These two are solved, so we keep it on the left side like this. And the two that need to be solved are on the right. We'll do the T-perm one more time, and it will be solved. R, U, right invert, up invert, right invert, front, R2, up invert, right invert, up invert, right, up, right invert, and front invert. Did front invert. So now everything is solved. See, the back is lined up here on both sides. Before it wasn't. The piece was sticking out. So that's how you know if it lines up. Like whether it's on the, if you have two pieces and they're sticking out a little bit on the outside, that means these two have to switch. Same on top, same thing. So the key is that T-perm. That T-perm is very big to solve this puzzle or the Yuxin tiger, the last one I did. So you know, if you want to pick it up, it's a really fun puzzle. It's pretty relaxing once you get to know how to do it. Really fun. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and have a great day.